Big 5 Electronics proudly introduces SSV Works Polaris Razor Phase 5 Ride Command plug-and-play 5-speaker audio kit. SSV Works and Kicker have collaborated yet again to bring the very best in Powersports audio by developing the first and only plug-and-play audio kit to seamlessly integrate with the Polaris Razor Ride Command system. You control all of your music from the factory touch panel display while experiencing the best quality audio system in the industry. This package fits 2019 900s, turbo and all 1000 models, as well as the 2018 and 19 turbos S models, and for either 2 or 4 seat versions. This kit includes 2 SSV Works front kick panel speaker pods and 2 rear cage mounted speaker pods with Kicker 6.5-inch marine certified speakers. The subwoofer is loaded in a patented SSV Works Glovebox Enclosure with a 10-inch Kicker woofer for unparalleled bass and clarity. All of this is powered by a simple to install direct fit amp mounting system and 800 watts of raw Kicker power. Also included are all the wiring and cables and hardware necessary for installation, as well as the plug-and-play harness to work with the factory Polaris Ride Command system. Everything in one box. No soldering, no cutting, no crimping. Simply bolt in the pre-installed speakers and pre-tuned amplifiers with the included vehicle-specific plug-and-play wiring harness for the DIY enthusiast or for ease of professional installation. This system features the best of SSV Works and Kicker to bring your side-by-side the cleanest, loudest, and most powerful Powersports audio system available. Plus, it's easy to install, so you spend more time riding and less time wrenching. Each kit comes preloaded with Kicker speakers, subwoofers, and amp. SSV Works Polaris Razor Phase 5 Ride Command plug-and-play 5-speaker audio kit now at Big 5 Electronics.